Whitey on top and Harvey underneath. And Harvey's taking it right now, but he won't take it long, I don't think. It's not Whitey actually, it's Monty, excuse me. Monty. As soon as Monty gets a grip on Harvey, Harvey will object and then it'll reverse. You hear that? That's Harvey not being very happy. And they're learning all about teeth there. That's Gus there, right there. Who's he going after? Oh, actually, that's not Gus. That's Kong. Excuse me. That's Gail's dog. Right there on top. Who are you on top of there, buddy? Can't tell. He escaped too quick. And this is Kate down here.
I got my...
As you see, Daisy's bathrobe's a chew toy at this point. Everything you wear into the pen gets tugged on, bit, pulled, tails. Who is that down there, honey?
Harvey.
Right here.
This one?
Yes.
Johnny.
That's Mr. Johnny Depp. Who's got Johnny's tail there? Who is that?
Blue Bones.
Oh, that's a Gus. And they're drinking about 3 to 4 gallons of water a day. Hey, buddy. How you doing, Harvey? How you doing? They still treat people very gentle, for the most part. They don't treat each other too gentle, though. Who are you? Who are you? Oh, you're Ante. Oh, yes. There's Gail's dog. Kong is what we call him. Hello, Kong. Oh, that feels good in the air, huh? Didn't give me moans, huh? Oh, yes. Hello, Harvey. Your turn. Oh, yeah. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, right in the ear. They hold still for that, man. Yep. Yeah, that's Ante. Mm-hmm. There's Spencer. Got himself a little chew toy to play with. Who do you have up on the chair there, honey?
Pink bones. Pink hearts.
Pink hearts. That would be Echo.
Echo.
Echo
Yes.
of Echo, playing with a cloth lizard with a squeaky head. And this is a very common thing right here. They do a lot of wrestling and playing with each other. A lot of growling and barking, and one will grab the other one by a foot or an ear or a tail and shake, and then somebody else dives in and does it, and there's...
That's Blue Bones.
As you can see, they like wrestling with...
I got polka dots up here. Black.
So that's Mika up there,
Oh,
getting snuggled
yeah.
on.
Oh.
They hold real still when they get their ears scratched, that's for sure.
Yeah, you good baby. Yeah, you good baby. Yeah.
And then they crash and just go to sleep real quick.
Yeah, you good
And they
baby.
play again real rough,
Mwah.
back and forth.
Yeah,
Somebody's trying to sleep there. Well, that's Harvey trying to sleep underneath.
Yeah, so.
Wow. Kong here tries to grab him by the collar and ear.
Look at this guy's got my.
They're gonna come fight over who gets to use what color collar.
Gus. And this is Blue Bones.
Well, Blue Bones is Gus or Ante. Which one?
Okay, the other blue.
Okay, so it's Gus and Ante over there.
Yeah.
Hey, Monty, you gonna set your head down, find a quiet spot, and catch 3 minutes sleep before you get attacked? And who is this on the chair that's supervising from above?
That's pink. With hearts, Echo.
That's Echo. Echo's got a good spot to observe and not be attacked.
Yeah, you just loving this. Oh, yes.
Of course, she can't stay out of it too long.
Honey.
She can't.
Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, goodness sakes.
It's a little
yes.
nibbles on the chin, and they love getting snuggled on, that's for sure.
Yes.
But they are getting huge, as you can see, with the scale of them in my wife's lap. They're getting huge.
Are you calm enough to let me do this now? No, I need my glasses. Oh,
And then the whole pen kind of goes quiet occasionally like that.
watch this. I'll say puppies, puppies, okay? Puppies, puppies, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come
That
on,
gets them all
puppies!
going on over there.
Come on, puppies! Come on, come on! Oh, I just love audience! Yes, I just love audience! Yes, I love audience! Yes, oh, puppies, puppies! Yes, oh, I love audience!
Bear.
Yes!
Bear thinks she's a puppy and can get involved, but she can't.
Yes.
This is puppy time.
Yes, I love audience.
Lots of tail wagging, lots of happy.
Yes, oh, goodness sakes. Yes, oh, goodness sakes. Oh, goodness. Puppy, 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 puppies! Puppy, puppies! Yes, puppy, puppies! Yes, oh! Yes, oh, yes. Yes, my puppies, yes. Yes, good puppies. Yes, you are good puppies. Yes, yes. Oh, yes.
Puppy's first time outside the pen outside.
Puppies, come on, puppies.
We have 6 of them out now.
Come on, come on. Come on.
So they're very timid.
Yes.
There's one over there. Why don't you get him, Jesse? Put him with the others.
Come on, puppies.
So Bear's going to prance around a bit probably, and they'll crowd up near them and near people they trust. Still a little scared of the big outdoors here. And there's my son Jesse taking another one in for us. There, now they're all together again. All the 6.
I'm trying to get my puppy up.
Oh, that's all we can have out right now.
I'm getting my puppy out.
Just one.
Okay.
No, Granddad says no. Puppies!
There's already 6 out here, Aline.
Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come on! Come on, puppy puppies! Come on, puppy!
Bear, come here. Come here. Come on, Bear.
Scared it off, are you? Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Yes, puppies, all of them. Yeah. Come on, puppies! Come on! Come on, good puppies! Yes. Yeah. Puppies,
And this
puppies,
little group of
puppies.
them that's out here right now, their first time out is Harvey, Mr. Johnny Depp, Gus, Spencer, Monty, and Mika. Out exploring, they're picking up little branches and running all around, and they don't seem too timid anymore. They're very much getting comfortable very quickly. Hey. What do you think, Bear? The outside's not your domain by yourself anymore?
Yes. That one's not scared a bit.
Who is it?
Spence.
Spencer.
Come on, Spencer. Come on. Sorry.
There's Monty.
Cute what these guys are.
And there's Harvey over there.
Yes. There goes Spence.
Who is that, Johnny?
Yeah.
Was Johnny being aggressive there, right there. Playing with a hand. Now he's trying to clean my granddaughter's feet.
You don't care, you just want to bite.
That's Spencer, who's been playing with the stick. Of course, as soon as I grab the camera, he lets go. Oh, there he goes again. He's been playing tug-of-war with it.
Lane's got mine going with it.
You want to play with the stick now?
My granddaughter playing with one. And a stick.
Tug of war.
Hey.
Tug of war. Bark.
Big old head shake there. And the puppies love the stairs, climbing in and out, that's for sure.
Hey, you little figure.
It's a stick thief.
Polka dots.
That's Mika?
Yeah.
Ah, Mika's got it there. Go, Mika!
Here, get a big one. Here. Okay.
You love the stick, huh? You love the stick.
Look, Granddad, behind you. Not too hard, Lean. Give it back to him.
Which puppy is that?
Not sure.
Oh no, he broke the piece.
Oh, that's okay. That is Johnny.
It's Mr. Johnny Depp.
Let Johnny play with it. Slow down so they can grab hold, Lean.
Okay.
And there's Harvey playing right with the stick Jesse had. Okay, and here is the second 6 puppies. We put the first 6 away. And this is Kate and Bear, and Gail's dog, who we call Kong, plus Echo, Ante, and Maria. So they're going to get comfortable now and play a little bit with some sticks and try their experience outdoors. And my granddaughter's trying to get their attention over here. Leaves. What is that, huh? So lots of wagging tails, still a lot of anticipation as to what everything is. Checking things out. Bear's jealous, she wants her stick handled. And the cat cannot figure out if he should join or not. He's just watching from the side.
I don't know what a yellow one is.
Yellow.
Oh, those aren't yellow, honey. That's
Hey,
pink.
puppies, 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 puppies. Oh, the cat decided to run across through the middle of it and didn't want to get too involved, it looked like.
The stick.
Bear, hush. What you got there? Hey, puppy. Got yourself a stick? Who is that? Who is that, huh? And these guys over here are exploring what the uneven ground is like, falling down as they hit the slope garden and crashing and burning a little bit. Puppies, 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 baby puppies, puppies. Hello. Well, come here. Who are you? Are you Bear? I think you're Bear. You've got the violet collar on. Hello. You're either Bear or Echo. I think you're Bear. Yup. All right, that feels good, huh? Scratch my ear and I'll hold still. These two guys are playing with a pyracantha bush and discovering that sloped ground is not as easy to walk on as they are used to. Every stick goes in the mouth.
It's just different than the first year. That's all. I wouldn't say more timid. It's just no. I was saying the puppies. They're it's just different from the first year. They're not really more timid or more than other stuff.
They found themselves a bigger stick to play with. Who is that? That's Kate over here. And who is that? Who is that? Who are you? Huh? Oh, that's Ante. Oh, yes, Ante. Okay, you got the big stick all by yourself, huh?